Hi there! So in this video, I will teach you how to fix invite collaborator option not showing up on Instagram. So the first thing we need to do is to determine why this issue is happening. So let's try it first. Let's try to post a picture. And as you can see here, you can invite a collaborator. We can see the invite collaborator option. So to resolve this, you need to head to your profile, and on the upper right corner you can see the three lines here. Click that and head on settings. After that, you can see the account option here. Click that and scroll all the way down until you see the switch to professional account. The invite collaborator option is not showing up earlier because we are on a personal account. We need to go to the professional account. Switch on that and continue. When you're done setting up your account, you can now try to post the picture again. And after you've tried to post it, you can click on tag people here and the invite collaborator option will now show up. So I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow for more.